Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to reset HP printers. But before we proceed, if you like topics related to technology and repairing such as computer, gadgets and more, please consider subscribing and click the bell icon for you to get updated on my next video. Thank you. And now let's go to our topic. First, power on your printer and wait from 10 to 15 seconds or until your printer is totally on. The second and the last step, press and hold the power button plus cancel button for about 15 to 20 seconds. After a few seconds, your ink level will be resetted and your printer will give you a sample printout. And that's it for today. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video and my topic. Thank you.